Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you ClearMyDebt, an Excel debt payout calculator designed to help you plan and simulate how to eliminate debt faster. This tool allows you to track multiple loans, compare different repayment strategies, and see exactly when you can become debt-free. This is the Loans tab, and the first step is adding your loans. In this section, you'll enter all your debt, including the starting balance, start date, interest rate, and the monthly payment. For this example, I've already added some, but if you want to change them, you can put here, let's say, and then save and updates down here. You can also delete them, clear. If you want to clear, you need to clear before you add a new one, always. You could even add it like this. So here we can add another loan, but then it will mean that you will have to go to developer tab, macros, and then open the form like this, run again. So here we can see we have credit card balance, a car loan, student finance, personal loan, and a couple of smaller debts. Once all the loans are entered, the calculator has everything it needs to simulate the repayment plan. So we can click on calculate, and it calculates for us how much everything is. I had some data there. So it shows for us payoff date, Avalanche December 28 and Snowball December 28. But we can improve this. We can see total amount paid here, total interest, Avalanche, and how much we're saving by both of them, and how much months we're saving by using this method or the other one, and how much we're paying for the first month. And we also have a small chart. Now, we go to the setup section. Here you can define the starting month for the repayment plan and choose the strategy you want to use. Here I put September 2023 because that's when one of my loans start. So that's when we will need to put it, and how many months you can put. I've tested it with over 1000 months. It works. I don't think we will need ever. So you can compare regular payments, the Snowball strategy which focuses on paying smaller debt first, or the Avalanche strategy which focuses on the highest interest rate. But we can also add extra payment on phases. So we have 5 phases, and basically it adds an extra amount monthly paid. So from September, I say I can spare $150, and I can put a description from it, salary. I need to save it first and calculate. And we got to February from, I think, October. Now let's say in 2024, I get the raise. We can add here another 250, let's say. Okay, calculate it. It's now April 27, and we can see straight away how fast we are saving interest, savings, and total interest paid. So on regular, we're paying $12,000 versus Avalanche, which is just 4,700, besides the savings of 7,200 pounds. And everything is set up. The calculator simulates your repayment plan month by month. It automatically calculates the payoff timeline and shows when each loan will be eliminated. If we go to loan payoff table, we can see here on regular payoff, these are the dates. On Avalanche, we can see that on the 26th, in 2026, March, will be debt free for all of them. No, July. Snowball as well, we can see which method is the fastest. And if we go to the tables, this is the regular one. We can see that we're paying the minimum amount. We also have a month summary at the end. Timetable Avalanche. So how it does it? So if we look here, we can see card credit balance in May 2025, where most of the loans are active. It chooses this one because it has the highest interest rate. That's how Avalanche works. And store credit finance starts. Store credit finance. Oh, store credit finance is done, so it doesn't take that one. You can also see here how much you've paid monthly, portfolio interest, and portfolio remaining, which is good to analyze. But we can also have an extra payment. For example, let's say you decide to add an extra $100 1 month towards your debt. So here we'll go to this and calculate it like this. Date, we need the date, so amount, let's say 500. Description, bonus. So this is a one time. It can also be minus, because if we go on holiday, we might want some money saved. So then it removes some of this money and also some of this minimum agreed monthly payment. If we add this, We can delete add this and delete the other one with minus because that's not what I wanted to do. And we are on April 2027. We can also see how this approach works. Now I can also do a target debt-free date. So here I can put I want to be debt-free in 2025 instead of April 27, or and I can put a budget. So I can put $1,500. It's optional to put it, but it calculates your budget versus the monthly payment needed. So click calculate. Takes a little bit of time because it goes over each of the possibilities. So we can see here we would need $2,773 per month added to pay off in April 2025. And we can see here that it's not achievable with this budget. So somehow we need to plan, add more money in and overrides to get that sum. Good. And we also have the clear button, which clears everything. And that's this tool makes it easy to test different repayment plans and understand how your decisions affect your financial future. If you'd like to try to clear my debt calculator yourself, you can find it in the link in the description.